here's another one.
As of 2 p.m., the city and county of Honolulu.
Oh. Silver emergency message.
Backyard chicken farmers.
As of 2 p.m., the city and county of Honolulu's 911 system is down for customers using certain cell providers. Contact 911 using a landline phone. If you do not have access to a landline, call the Honolulu Police District nearest you, Honolulu 808-225-0800, Mililani, Wahiawa, North Shore,
9840, Waikiki
723-8700, Pearl City, Waipio, 808-723-8800, Kailua, 808-723-8640, Kaneohe, 808-723-8838,
In an interview on CNN,
723-8650, Kalihi, 808-218-9840, Waikiki, 808-227-8465, Moiliili, East Honolulu, 808-542-2471, Ava, Waianae,
Okay, we got
808-723-8400. As of 2 p.m., the city and county of
got another
Honolulu's
ticker there.
911
KGMB.
system is down for customers using certain cell providers.
K5.
Contact 911 using a landline phone. If you do not have access to a landline, call the Honolulu Police District nearest you, Honolulu 808-225-0800, Mililani, Wahiawa, North Shore 808-723-8700, Pearl City, Waipio 808-723-8800, Kailua 808-723-8640, Kaneohe 808-723-8838, Kahuku 808-723-8650,
Too long of a message. Wonder if it's gonna come up on. Okay, just stop there. I wonder if they're gonna put it on here. Let's see. That was a silver emergency, not the 911 telephone outage. Okay. Okay, we've got this one on the line here. See if that one goes off. I'll record it, obviously.
Sky, the temperature was 83. Northeast winds were gusting
Cool.
40.